Can you awaken your Kundalini through online? Be blessed by the divine. This is Krish, Murali, Eswar. Kundalini, your life force, currently is functioning within your body. Perhaps you don't feel it. If you don't awaken it in a systematic, safe manner, you will not be able to feel the tingling sensation of your Kundalini. In order to feel the vibration, you have to awaken it. The easiest, the simplest, the safest way of awakening is by the touch of the Divine Master. Our Guru, Yogiraj Sri Vedatri Maharishi, simplified the Kundalini awakening method and made it simple and safe. Without the practice of the Sky Yoga system, Kundalini awakening could be dangerous. It could have various unwanted side effects. So therefore, I recommend that you go to a Vedatri Sky Yoga Center and learn it in a safe and simplified and a systematic manner. It cannot be awakened through any online method. You cannot watch a YouTube video and expect to awaken it safely. You cannot read an article and follow the method and imagine that your Kundalini can be awakened. It will not work. You cannot listen to an audio or a guided meditation method and awaken it safely. That also will not work. Therefore, there is no sure method of awakening your Kundalini in a safe and simplified manner online. I recommend that you avoid watching any YouTube video and follow the method yourself. I recommend that you do not really read any article or listen to an audio to attempt to awaken the Kundalini. The best and the safest method, like how I learnt it. I learnt it from a Vedatri Sky Master in 1984 when I was studying in college. After that, in 1987, I became a master who could awaken the Kundalini of others like me. We have around 15,000 plus professors and masters around the world who are trained and certified by the Vedatri Sky Yoga system. Of course, you can join an online course. There is in fact an online course available in vedatri.edu.in. You can sign up for it, but only the theory you can learn. You cannot learn the practices. You can learn the exercises, the simplified physical exercises. You can learn Kayakalpa Yoga online. These two are wonderful methods. You can learn introspection exercises, which helps you to sublimate your ego, superimpose your negative thinking with positive thinking. You can get rid of your anger, you can get rid of your worries, etc. These are practice methods that can be learned through online methods, and the system is doing a wonderful job of teaching this online. But for Kundalini awakening, you still need to go to a local Sky Yoga master in your area. Luckily, we have thousands of centers worldwide. Of course, those are not sufficient. For instance, in Africa, in South America, we don't have many centers. In foreign countries, we can say that we have sufficient centers in places like Malaysia, in places like Sri Lanka, in places like the Middle East, or even in the US, we have a few centers. We will not say sufficient is not the right word actually. We need a lot more than a few centers. We have plenty of centers in Tamil Nadu, quite a few centers in other states within India. You can go to any of these centers and learn the simplified Kundalini Yoga. I hope this is useful, and I hope you go to a Sky Yoga Center and learn and awaken it and practice this Kundalini Yoga and achieve good health, long life, enough wealth, peace, prosperity, fame and wisdom. Thank you for being a source of inspiration. Continue to be there, continue to inspire me, continue to comment on this video. If you want me to make any other video, I will provide the link for my Google form in this video in the description below. You can click and enter your question there, and perhaps my next video will be an answer to your question. Thank you. Be blessed by the divine.